Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make tender coconut curry. This will go well with chapati, dosa or idli. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Now add 4 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 piece of cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf. Saute this for a few seconds and add 3 finely chopped onions and a little salt. When it turns light brown, add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 2 slit green chilies and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute this for some time and add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Stir well and cook this till the tomatoes become soft. Now add 2½ cups of chopped tender coconuts and 3/4 cup of water. Stir well. Now cover it with the lid and cook it over medium flame. Turn off the flame after 2 whistles. When the pressure comes down, open the cooker. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now it is ready to serve. Enjoy this with chapati, dosa or idli. Please try it out and post your feedback.